Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you to the market with me to show you some of the fruits and vegetables that I picked up, but also to show you what's available at the market. I know that some people think that eating healthy is really expensive, and it can be expensive, but it doesn't have to be expensive. And I'm hoping through this video just to show you the rich variety available at the market and the bargains available at the market as well. So in this video, I am going to share with you everything I bought at the market, the price I paid for everything, how I clean and store my vegetables so that they just preserve that freshness to them. But my very first tip for shopping in the market is just to spend a few minutes browsing the stalls to see what's available that week before you actually start buying anything. So let's browse.
Online doesn't it? What's it? Itu avocado olaganya po. Sulay ta kaya may nagpaulo.
That cannot be right. Huh? No, that day I'm gonna make 150 a day. What's up for? Huh? What's up for? 160 liters. About anything else you like? This one a bit expensive. Four. You want the other one?
We are coming towards the end of the browse, and I really want to highlight this particular stall. As you can see, their soft fruits are in punnets, so they're not in bowls, and in most cases they're covered. So if you're very particular or fussy and you don't want soft fruits that's been handled by people, you can then just buy, you have the option to buy soft fruits that's in a punnet, it's covered, and it's not being handled by people. So you do have the option to buy your soft fruits that way, and I really like that that option is available. But now let's get into showing you the things that I bought. So we're kicking things off with 4 honeydew melons, and I paid £1 for all 4 of these. Well, there were 3 for £1, but the man gave me 1 for free. So if you go to the market, you can get 3 for £1 depending on the day and depending on what's in season. Here I have this huge pineapple, and you can see the comparison to my hand. It is a pretty big pineapple. Top tip is to make sure there's no mold at the bottom of the pineapple, because I'm going to leave this to ripe a little bit more. This was £1.50. Here I have some clementines. I don't think that they're satsumas because they are so sweet and nice. They're not watery, so I'm convinced that they're clementines. But I might be wrong. If I am, do let me know in the comment section. Do you think these are satsumas or clementines? It was £1 for 20 clementines, but you're only seeing 18 because I already ate 2 of them. And what I'm showing you here is that if you go to the market between 3 and 4 o'clock, like after 3, you can get all of this that you're seeing on the screen for £1.50. So that's 20 clems with some bananas for £1.50. What a bargain. But if you go in the morning, they'll be £1 each. For £1 I got 12 lemons, but by the time I filmed this video I only had 10 left. 3 large beetroot for £1.50. As soon as I bought these beetroot, I literally walked like 2 stalls down and saw that they were selling 4 for £1. But that's the thing about going around browsing and then deciding what you're going to buy. My favorite part of the video, the mango segment, and the main reason I'm even at the market now is to get mangoes. So the first variety here, I bought 3 different varieties actually. These ones, I intentionally bought them a little bit unripe because I want them to ripe at home, so I staggered the mango ripening process. So some were super ripe, some were medium ripe, and there were some that were ready to eat. So the ones on the far left hand side are unripe, and I'm going to leave those to ripe for a few days. These middle ones are medium ripe, so I can have them in like a day or 2. And on the right hand side of the screen, those mangoes are ready to eat today. So before the end of this video, I will have ate those 2 on the right hand side. And I'm just going to cut into one of these mangoes so that you can see what it's like inside. My tip for buying mangoes is that make sure you inspect your mangoes. They're usually 3 for £1 or 4 for £1. The ones in the middle, I paid 4 for £1 for them. The ones on the top left hand side, I paid 3 for £1. And These other ones are 3 for £1 as well. So inspect your mango, make sure they're not too soft, and if you're, yeah, make sure they're not too soft. But guys, these mangoes taste amazing. I picked up 4 ripe plantains for £1. You can also get green plantains as well, but I've just got some ripe ones here for £1. And Scotch bonnet pepper. I had altogether 17 Scotch bonnet pepper, and I just opted for the red ones. I didn't want them mixed. And that's 17 Scotch bonnet peppers for £1 as well. Finally, I have some okras here, and these were £1 for a bowl, and altogether there was 22 of them in the bowl. To clean my fruits, I pop everything into a bowl with lukewarm water and vinegar. You can do this in the sink, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just demonstrate it in this bowl. So I'm going to cover that with lukewarm water and vinegar. Gently just rub the skin of these fruits and then leave them for a few minutes, and then I'm going to just wash them off and dry them and put them in my fruit and veg basket. I wash my soft fruits separately and some of the vegetables. So these fruits with thick skin that I'm going to get rid of anyway, I just wash them together, and then if I did buy berries, I would have just washed the berries together. So all of the strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, all of the berries will be washed together. But the skinned fruits, I just give them a light wash like this. And then I'm going to dry them in a tea towel and then pop them into my basket. To keep my citrus fruit fresh for longer, I pop most of them in the fridge, with only the exception of a few that I might be eating that day or the following day. But majority of the citrus fruit I'll put in the fridge. For the mangoes, I don't put them in the fridge because I think they ripe a lot better outside of the fridge. The same for the bananas and like plantain and melons. I just leave those outside of the fridge to ripe. And some of the veggies like the okra and the peppers, I will freeze them. If I'm not going to use them in the next few days, I will just freeze them. Thank you for watching my fruit and veggie market haul. I just want to wrap things up by just quickly telling you how much I spend overall and everything you can see here. I forgot to mention, but I usually go to the market with a budget of £10. Clearly I went over a little bit here, but £10 for fruits and vegetables for one person, I think that's you do get like really good value for your money. Let me know if you agree, if you disagree. If you found this video useful, do remember to hit the like button, and if you think it'd be helpful to someone, do share this video as well. Let me know in the comment section, what kind of mango eater are you? Are you using a knife to peel your mango, or do you just go straight in with your teeth? I literally had to pause this recording and enjoy this mango and then continue filming. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.